Hello, I'm Ginny Nadler, and I am going to introduce my system of movement called Structural Realignment Integration. This instructive DVD is for anyone having low back pain, pelvic pain, hip injuries, spinal issues associated with injuries, sciatica, and for practitioners treating all of these clients. I have introduced this method to osteopaths, massage therapists, physical therapists, dancers and dance therapists, occupational therapists, physiologists, physicians, Pilates students and teachers, chiropractors, network spinal doctors, and they have all had that aha moment. Our bodies wear our physical history, and our muscles translate that history, deforming on and around the bones according to how we have used this vehicle. How to sustain freedom of movement and high-level wellness, how to prevent injury with the active physical lives we lead, and most important, how to undo old patterns that have pushed us out of alignment to maintain freedom and live out of pain. We now know that to live whole, well, prosperous lives depends on having the health and well-being we desire over the lifetime we are here for. With the pelvis out of balance, out of alignment, muscles pulling across the pelvic floor to the depth of the fascia, creating stretch leading to distortion, the practice of yoga and any other physical modality becomes a challenge. Our muscles will follow the direction that we are moving in, that we are pulled in, raveling around the femur bones and sacrum in such a manner that ultimately we will not have two legs to stand on. Why 3 years ago were there over 400,000 hip replacements amongst the baby boomers? Remember, my generation, was the one that was never going to age and not have the use of this body. So we ran and biked and played tennis and did all the fitness protocols that we could do to prevent aging with debilitation. However, we did all of this, these fast movement modalities, with an out-of-aligned pelvis causing great damage. In recent years, younger and younger people are having hip replacements. We must go to the source of the distortion in the pelvic floor and begin to unravel at the site of the perineum to create the freedom we need to literally grow out of the pelvic floor and create extension of the spinal muscles. The method I am going to introduce you to has been used with all of my clients, be they yoga students, teachers, athletes, anyone who wants to have more freedom and learn to stand on two legs to support this building we have been graced with. I am honored after 35 years to bring this wisdom to all, because in this age of being fit and living much longer lives than ever before, we must learn to have this body serve us. And for that to be, we must serve this body well. The burden on the healthcare system and the enormous amount of money spent medically, surgically, is staggering. These tools, this program, will help you unwind your distortion, create freedom and well-being.